Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I am going to show you how you can add an interactive auto-scrolling image on your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so before getting started, let me show you the example. Okay, you can see here in this page we have 6 different images, and now if we hover over the image, then you see this is actually auto-scrolling at the top. Okay, and once we hover over the image, it's working, but hover out the mouse, it will get a default view. Okay, so let me show it again. You can see every single image has the auto scrolling feature like this. Okay, and here is it. So it will actually adjust the scrolling speed based on the height of your image. Okay, so this code snippet is good for people who want to show their portfolio images or some kind of other images into your page and interact with the auto scrolling feature. Okay, so let me show you step by step process how you can implement this code snippet into your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so here I added a new page. Okay, it's almost a blank page. I just added this headline, and here we are going to add this code snippet and show you the auto scrolling features. And here is the code snippet we are going to use. You will get this code snippet right under this video from our GHL code snippet members area. But if you are watching this from YouTube, then you will get the link to get the code snippet. Okay, and this is the part of our premium code snippet, so you need to upgrade your account. Okay, so let me show you how you can do this. Okay, so first of all, let me add another section on my page, and inside this section I'm going to add the 3-column row, and also I am going to add some margin top, margin left and right for each of the columns, so that we can get an extra gap for each of the image. Okay, so let me add 10 pixel margin. Okay, so I added 10 pixel margin left and right for each of the column, and now I'm going to add images. Okay, for each of them, 3 images, and then let me get the template. Okay, that I am going to add here. Okay, so this is the first one, then I'm going to another one. I already uploaded the template, so I'm using this. But if you don't have the template uploaded, then all you just need to click this new link, okay, this new button, and then upload the file. Okay, just do it and you will good to go. Okay, and then let me select the last one. This is this one, for example. Okay, so I added 3 images, and now what I need to do, just select the image and then go to the advanced tab from here, and then copy this CSS selector. Okay, that's it. Let me go back to the code snippet, and I'm going to add my image CSS selector. Okay, so one more thing, you need to make sure that you need to delete this pound sign. Okay, basically these are the CSS ID, that's why it's using a pound sign. But in our image array, okay, we are going to remove this pound sign. Okay, this is how it actually works. Okay, so let me get the other CSS selector also. We added the first one, and here is the second one. Again, let me delete the pound sign, and the third one, go to the advanced tab, copy, and go back to the code, and here is the third one. Okay, so this way you can add as many images you want in your page. Okay, but if you have only the 3 images or 5 images, whatever, let me show this example. In this example I have 3 images, so now I will okay, so I think I delete more than 3. Okay, so now in this example I have 3 images, so this code is already fine because I added all 3 image CSS selector, okay, into the code snippet. So this is good. And one more thing, if you want to add more than 3, 5 or 10 images, whatever number of images you want to use, all you just need to put a comma. Let me do this. okay, put a comma after each of the image selector you added and add a double quote, okay, and then inside that put your CSS selector, okay, like this. So okay, and again if you have another one, do the same thing, okay. This way you can add as many as you need, okay, but after each of that selector you need to put a comma, okay. This is the default behavior actually for the array of JavaScript, okay. And then one more thing I want to make sure that at the very last selector, okay, after that you should not have the comma. You see, we have the comma like this one, but after the very last image you don't have the comma. This is how it actually works. You need to make sure this is looks exactly like this, okay. And then copy the code snippet from here and go back to your GHL, okay, GHL page editor, then add a column, and inside that column I will add the code option, okay, which is the custom HTML and JavaScript, and then I will paste the code snippet here, okay, like this. So one more thing here, if you want to change the height of your image, let me show you. For example, here, okay, let me show this here, okay. So you can see this is actually the height of the image, okay. Here is the height of the image. If you want to change the height, then you can do this as your need, okay. By default it has 450 pixel height, but if you want to increase the height or decrease, it is possible. You can do this very easily, okay. So this is the only thing you need to change, okay. So the CSS selector of your images, and then you change the height of the image, that's it. And then just copy the code snippet and enter into your GoHighLevel page, okay, by using the custom HTML and JavaScript code option, okay. That's it, okay. So let me publish the page and then we will preview it. If everything goes well, then we should have a working auto scrolling image feature, okay. So let me publish this at first. Well, the page published, and now let me preview this. Okay, so here are the images already added. Let me hover the mouse. You can see the images are scrolling very fine. You can see everything is working just fine. So what you need to do, all you just need to copy the code snippet from the GHL code snippet library, and you will get this code snippet under the images code snippet, okay. I will show you in a minute. Let me show this. Okay, so from the community, okay, once you logged into the community, then go to the courses, and then okay, so under the courses you will see all the code snippet we have. So here GHL image code snippet, okay. So access inside this, and then you will find the code snippet here, okay. So this is how you will get the code snippet, okay. And then one more thing I want to show you. Just let me show that, okay. Let me go back to the community. Our community is completely free, okay. You can get access to our community, which is completely free. You will get the link to join the community right under this video, inside the video description of YouTube, okay. And then from here you can get access to our free code snippet, okay, which is the basic version. Here you will get the limited edition of our code snippet. And but one more thing, if you want to use our premium code snippet, then just upgrade your account by using this one, okay. So GHL Code Snippets Pro Unlimited, you can upgrade it here and you will get access to the code snippets, okay. So all our code snippets library, okay. So that's it. And also you can interact with our community, okay. You can post your comments, or if you have anything to learn, or if you have anything in your mind about your GoHighLevel, then you can put it here, okay. Just post it here. That's it for this video. If you find this helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to share with your friends if you like. Then that's it, okay. Thank you again for watching this video. Have a nice day.